In this demo, I'm going to show you how to swap tokens on a decentralized exchange through the Zerion interface. First, you're going to click on the Zerion icon in your browser to open the wallet. Then, I'd suggest clicking on the wallet icon next to the swap button. This will open your wallet in your browser window. Next, you'll click on the word swap on the left-hand side of your screen. On this page, you'll see three main things: the network you're on, a pay with box, and a receive box. To switch the network you're on, click the down arrow next to Base or whatever network shows up on your page. It's showing me I can swap on Base and Ethereum because that is where I have tokens. I'm going to stick to Base. If you'd like to change the tokens you're paying with or receiving, you can do that by clicking the down arrow next to those tokens. I only have ETH in my wallet, so I'm going to stick to that. You can receive many different types of coins. To keep things simple, I'm just going to swap into the USDC stablecoin. Next, I'll enter in the amount I want to pay with or swap out of. When that's done, Zerion will automatically populate the decentralized exchange with the best price for the swap. If you want to change it, bring your cursor down to the rate section and click on the icon. In this case, it's a black icon. Here are the different offers for your swap. You'll want to pay attention to the price all the way on the left. That's the total price for doing the swap. When you're ready to swap, click the swap button. You'll want to confirm the transaction in your Zerion pop-up by clicking confirm. And there you go. Now you've swapped on a decentralized exchange through the Zerion interface.